Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to connect any Bluetooth speaker to an Amazon Alexa. So first things first, what you want to do is with the Bluetooth speaker that you want to connect to, you want to put it into pairing mode. I have this Soundcore 2 here, and I'm going to press and hold the Bluetooth button. And now we have a blinking, flashing blue light. This indicates on the Soundcore 2 that we're in pairing mode. So now we want to go to the Amazon Alexa app, select devices, then choose the Alexa we want to connect to. So I'll select this Echo Pop here. Then you want to select connect a device here in the Bluetooth connections section. It'll then start searching. As you can see, the Amazon Alexa has gone into Bluetooth searching mode. We can see the Soundcore 2 here, so I'll select it. Alexa will then tell you that you're connected to the Soundcore 2. And now, whenever you play any songs or any audio comes through, it will actually play through the Soundcore and not the Amazon Alexa. So hopefully that helps you out how to connect any Bluetooth speaker to the Amazon Alexa.